Today we're going to look at decomposing and composing numbers. In third grade, students are asked to look at numbers up through the hundred thousands place. Today I'm just going to show you a number that goes through the 10,000s place. And this is going to be 86,453. And what we'd ask students to do is to decompose this to show us that they understand place value. And so in a decomposing, this would look like that I have 8 10,000s, 6 thousands, 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. And then we're looking for misconceptions, making sure that students understand that this digit is a 5, that its place is in the tens, and that its value is 50, but this is not 50 tens because that would make 500. So if we ask them to compose this number, then what it would be is that we would just give them these pieces of information, and they would have to be able to put it together to form this number. Or what we would do is give it to them in what we call an expanded form, and then they would be asked to find it all put together. And this just shows that it's broken down into its value, and so that this is 800,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 3 was how this number was composed or formed. Now we can also ask students to do a decomposing using the units that would make up each other. For example, with base 10, because each value goes up times 10, then we could compose this number. Instead of using 10,000s, I could just use 86 thousands. And instead of using, for example, the hundreds place, I really could just use 45 tens. And then, of course, I would still have 3 ones. And there's other ways to do that, of course, but what we're looking for is that they understand that these hundreds are made up of 10 of these tens. And so if I think about how these numbers were composed, this 100 was composed because I had a 10, a 10, a 10, a 10 that kept joining together, and I had so many of those that there were finally 10, and so I had to make 100. Then I had that 4 times, and that's why this is 400. So students are asked to also, just practice saying these numbers. It's hard for them. So the more that they get used to saying the value of those, the better that they will become at it.